the kids have just gone off completely the other side to where they said they were going to, but I better go and find them. Hello, good evening. No Lisa with me this evening. She's gone off to see some friends, and I'm literally 2 miles from where I live at Portwrinkle. We've come down to the beach, but look at that. Is that something else or what? Yeah, so practically 4 minutes in the car, because the lanes are a bit twisty turny, but I've never been here. As we said all during lockdown, places that are just on your doorstep, and we're like, oh, never been here. So I thought we'd just come down here and enjoy the sunshine. So it's 7 p.m. and the weather today hasn't been as warm as it normally is, or not as it normally is, as it has been. At the moment I've got a time lapse running of the sun going down and the tide going out, so that will be somewhere here and will change with my ugly mug. My kids are quite happily playing in the sea, which is bloody lovely. Well, it's getting cold, I can't lie. The kids have just gone off completely the other side to where they said they were going to, but I better go and find them. Anyway, just a short little video, just to show you a little bit of Portwrinkle, which isn't a lot. I shall show you around more another day. But anyway, if you've enjoyed this little video, please subscribe. Also, give us a thumbs up and ring the bell for further notifications. We'll let you know when we publish something else. Bye for now.